This entire commercial was created in just 60 seconds using Pippit AI, and it genuinely surprised me how complete it looked right out of the box. So this is a $5,000 commercial in just 1 minute using Pippit AI. Earlier I used to spend thousands of dollars and wait weeks for agencies, and of course dealing with endless revisions and still getting average results. And most of the time the process itself was slower than the results it delivered. While I was waiting, competitors were already testing ads and scaling faster than me. And you know what? That changed when I tried Pippit AI. I simply added my product link, upload a few images, selected Pippit Max and wrote one prompt and then hit generate. The setup was straightforward and did not require any technical steps. And look at this, in just 60 seconds I had a full cinematic commercial that looked like it cost $5,000. When I ran it, my click-through rate went 3 times higher and my cost per acquisition dropped by 61%. And within days I found winning creatives and scaled them quickly. So without wasting any time, let me show you exactly how I did it. So first I open Pippit and then home screen asks what I want to create. I switch to video mode. I select Pippit Max because it gives me 2K resolution, realistic lighting, smooth transitions, natural motion and built-in audio, which is perfect for a premium commercial. Then I set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since I am running ads on TikTok, Reels and YouTube Shorts. I keep the language on English, turn subtitles on for better watch time and set the video duration between 45 to 60 seconds. Next, I drop in my product link and upload a few lifestyle images. Then in the prompt, I describe exactly what I want. Being specific here really improves the final output quality. Then I hit generate and in about 60 seconds the full video is ready. The script is also amazing. The visual looks cinematic, the voiceover sounds real and the music builds perfectly, and there is no typical AI feel. You can also see Pippit generates a complete 60-second video in one go without any editing and stitching. The results are impressive, 3 times higher click-through rate and 61% lower cost per acquisition, and this made testing much faster and helped me identify what was working without delays. I could test faster, find winners quickly and scale without waiting. Plus there is a free trial to unlock all features without any risk. And this completely changes how ads are created. You no longer need big budgets or long waiting times. Just to products link or idea and Pippit turns it into real high quality commercials in minutes. It works for e-commerce, services, courses and even local businesses. So if you are still spending thousands and waiting weeks for an ad that does not perform, it's time to try this. Go to Pippit.ai, sign up, open the video generator, select Pippit Max, add your product, set time to 16 aspect ratio, turn on subtitles, choose 45 to 60 seconds and hit generate. And that's it. In about a minute, your commercial is ready to review and publish. I have already improved my ad performance and saved a huge amount of time using this. Now you can try the same process and see how it fits into your workflow. And again, you can find Pippit AI link in the description below. That's it. If you have any questions about this video regarding Pippit AI, then definitely drop your lovely comment in below. And before going, hit that red subscribe button and that like button too. And if you want to learn more about AI tools and videos like this, then definitely go and watch this video now.